just turn on the board and kick it in the right direction. And I don't know, some behavioral nonsense that you and Simois call out and all them kind of thing. I was so upset. If I didn't know you, I strap you. Look here, man. The world, not Jamaica, the world lost the opportunity to have seen a talented black man from a little country and make.
He's now a coach, Godfather, so let's hope.
Better than when a coach like very talent.
Well, he's coaching my son Dimitri on a regular basis. They do like a home training here, and he was my brother from them times.
Great pleasure to meet you, because I've never met you. And it is my happiness to be able to cuss you. and alternatively to praise you. And to the both. So right now, if me